Hey, what's up, YouTube? Alright, so I'm here with a student. We're about to do a run through of the driving test. We're at a South Florida location. If you look, you'll see the line is quite long already. It's early in the morning. It's like 6:30, 6:40 actually. But these people were here at, what, 2 o'clock, 2:30? Yeah. It's crazy, it's crazy. So we're gonna run through the test. She's practiced, right? So she's probably pretty good at it. We're gonna run through everything that they're gonna have you do. So they're gonna ask you, if you're parked facing uphill, what direction do you turn the steering wheel?
I turn the steering wheel left away from the curb.
What else do you do?
And put it in park. And then put the emergency brake. And then turn off the ignition.
Okay, cool. Just like that. Alright, go ahead and do your turn signal. Signal left. Signal right. Blow the horn. Press and release the brake. They're going to be doing all of that to make sure that the lights are working. Brake lights, turn signal lights, horn. They will not take you out in a car if those things are not working. Now they're doing this. They're asking you to turn the steering wheel all the way left. And turn it all the way right. They're checking your tire to make sure the tire is good. Alright? When you're done, straighten the wheel. So 2 times, you want to see Kia 2 times. Cool. Alright, so now they're going to tell you to reverse and go to the left. We're going to run through the actual test. So look both ways here.
Are they going to turn here?
Yeah, no. So back up until your mirror is at the end of the line.
Yeah.
And then turn all the way to the right.
Oh my God.
Keep going, just look behind you. Keep going. They see you, they'll help you stop. Alright, stop here, put it in drive. Alright. So we're gonna go to the stop sign and make a left turn. Make sure you signal left. So every time they tell you to turn, you signal. If you don't, you're gonna lose 4 points. So signal every time. Right, go ahead and make sure you're driving in the right lane. Alright, go ahead. We're gonna go down to the stop sign down here. We're gonna make another left turn. So you signal left. Don't forget to signal, because that's 4 negative points for each time that you don't. Stop completely. 1, 2, 3. Alright, go ahead. Okay, we're gonna go around this guy. Yeah, I don't know what they're doing. I really don't. Alright, go down to the end. Make a left by this raccoon hotel. There's no raccoon today though. I don't know, they're on vacation at another hotel. Okay, so we're gonna make a right turn right past the tree that's sticking out. Okay, stop. The turn. Just don't stop necessarily, just slow down enough and make sure you're out where you don't hit the curb. So you straighten up here in the right lane. They're gonna tell you to stop about here. And now they're gonna tell you to do a quick stop, which is you speed up to 20 and do a sudden stop. So go ahead, speed up and stop. Okay, like that. All right, now look behind you and reverse, straight back.
Oh, they're turning here.
Look behind and just go straight back. They should expect you to be doing that. Just stay in the right lane. Keep going back. Alright, so they'll tell you to stop about here. Put the car back in drive. We're gonna go down and make the left these people are here.
Plumbing.
Great. Why are they parking that big old truck right there? So they're in the way where people are going to be doing their three-point turn. I stay close to the right side. We're going to wait for them. Wait for them to back out. What are they doing?
No idea.
He's They're having a whole conversation. I don't understand. I mean, they clearly see that they're not the only ones practicing. You know what I mean?
They have no care in the world.
They couldn't care less. They're like, okay, let him wait. Okay, so we're gonna go down and park in the cones. I think I hear somebody from the DMV. It's a bit early for that, but
Oh yeah.
It's just somebody else talking now. All right, go ahead and go down, line up your mirror with the cone. I've never done a video on cinematic. I don't know what the hell the difference is. I don't. I hope it's good. And straighten out. And stop. Okay, reverse straight down. That looks like Anita, but I don't see her car. Okay, roll straight down. Turn all the way right. What is going on right here?
This is so chaotic. Oh.
Put a fan joint. Stay close to your right side. Why is this mad person doing this? Like, really? What's the point? Stop here and wait for these people to get out of the way. I swear.
This is so chaotic.
These people are just doing the most right now. Like, I don't want to show their cars, but it's like a truck and a car, and they're doing whatever they're doing. I do the 3-point turn. Can I signal left?
Yeah.
Turn all the way left.
There.
All right, reverse all the way right. Again, you're gonna stop in your mirrors past the middle. About that. Put the car back in drive. Signal left. Turn all the way left again. Okay, so we're gonna make a left turn. Just stop. Stop completely. 1, 2, 3. And then we're gonna go ahead and make a left. And people, it's literally 6:48. And I'm gonna show you what the DMV line looks like at this location at 6:48. See that? Look at that. The people on the line waiting to go into the DMV. Craziness. Alright, make a left here. Stay close to your right side.
Yeah.
And you make a left turn into your right lane. Make a left. Alright, so we're gonna go down and park. test. All right, put the car in park. All right, so how do you think you did?
Good.
Excellent.
I think I'm confident.
Yeah, you're good. You're good. Yeah, she's ready to pass her driving test. Yeah, I mean, for those of you that have not subscribed to the channel, that is actually watching, because there's lots of you guys. There's more people watching than subscribing, obviously. I get like 70, 80,000 views per month with only 500 subscribers. That is not good. So I'm asking you guys, please like, subscribe, and share. Tell them to like and subscribe to the channel, please.
Go like and subscribe to his
Please.
channel. He's really good.
Thank you. All right, so thanks for watching, and I will see you guys on the next video. Bye. Cool.